Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the step-by-step process of downloading and using UDP server and config files for faster, more secure browsing. Whether you're looking for updated UDP configurations or just want a quicker browsing experience, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive right into it. First, open your Chrome browser and in the search bar, type in UDP Custom, then press Enter. You'll see a list of results, but make sure to click on the official UDP Custom website. This is where all the magic happens. Once on the home page, locate the menu icon at the top. Click on it and you'll see a list of options like UDP Server, UDP Configs, and 30-day Premium UDP. For today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create both a UDP server and download config files. First, let's create a UDP server. Choose between a 7-day or 30-day server, depending on what you need. Once you select the server type, you'll be prompted to choose a server location. Pick the location that best suits your needs. After that, you'll need to enter a username and password, and then hit Create. It's that simple. In just a few seconds, your server will be ready. After your server is created, make sure to copy the server details. You'll need this information when setting up the HTTP custom VPN manually. Now, if you prefer to use a configuration file instead, look for the large Download Config button on the website. Tap on it to download the file and wait for the process to complete. Once the download is done, you're ready to set everything up in HTTP Custom. Next, we'll set up the HTTP Custom VPN app to connect with your new UDP server or config file. If you haven't already, head over to the Google Play Store and download HTTP Custom VPN. Once installed, open the app and you'll be on the home screen. To activate the UDP settings, tap on the UDP Custom box. Here, you'll need to input the server details you copied earlier, including the IP address, username, and password. Double-check everything, and when it's all correct, tap Connect to start the VPN. If you prefer to use the config file you downloaded earlier, simply go to your download folder and tap to import it. Alternatively, you can click the plus icon inside the HTTP Custom app, navigate to your download folder, and select the config file to import. Once imported, tap Connect and you're all set. Congratulations! You've now successfully set up your UDP server and VPN using the HTTP Custom app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and of course, subscribe for more tech tutorials like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.